Hello everyone. Today we have Corbevax, Covax, and Molnupiravir in news. So we have to study about what these three things are. Okay. Corbevax and Covovax are vaccines against coronavirus, and Molnupiravir is an antiviral drug for COVID. Okay. This is approved by CDSCO, which means Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Okay, so as this has been approved by CDSCO, from now onwards it can be used in India. Okay, actually earlier we have already approved 6 other vaccines. By including 2 new vaccines, the total approved vaccines in India will become 8. The other vaccines are, one is Covishield, second one is Covaxin, third one is Sycodi, fourth one is Sputnik, fifth one is Moderna, sixth one is Johnson & Johnson. Okay. Covishield is by Serum Institute, Covaxin is by Bharat Biotech, Sycodi is by Cydus Cadila, then Sputnik is from Russia, Moderna by US, Johnson & Johnson also is from US. Okay, so at present in total we have 8 vaccine for the use of our people. If we are looking into the details of Corbevax, it is India's first RBD protein subunit vaccine, and this will be manufactured by Biological E, which is based in Hyderabad. And Covax, this will be produced by Serum Institute of India, and it is developed by Novavax. Okay, actually this is a nanoparticle vaccine. Then we have Molnupiravir. This is a antiviral drug. Okay, this will be used in adult COVID-19 patients who are at risk of high progression of the disease. Okay, so this is having only limited use. Actually all these vaccine as well as drugs will be using in case of restricted cases and only in case of emergency situation. Okay, so these 3 vaccines has been approved by CDSCO. If you are looking at the mechanism of the action, we can see that if this is the coronavirus, we have a kind of spikes all over its body. You might have seen in various pictures. Okay, so in case of these both vaccines, when a person is getting injected with the vaccine, they will be injecting spike protein. Okay, so these proteins are injected into the healthy human being. Okay, but this will not be having any virus element, only the protein, spike protein they are using for injecting into that person. Okay, but the effect will be as that of a foreign body or same as that of this virus. Okay, so when this vaccine is injected into that person, the body of that person will react and start developing antibody against this virus. Okay, even though we are injecting the spike protein, the antibody developed in the body of that receiving person will be against this COVID-19 virus. Okay, so when the original virus comes in contact with that person, definitely that person will be having antibody against that COVID-19 virus. Okay, so this is how the mechanism of the vaccine works. Okay, so through the injection of spike protein, there will be antibody development in the body of that person, and when the original virus come into contact with the person who has already taken with this vaccine, the antibody produced in the person will fight against the COVID-19 viruses. Okay, this viruses will be destroyed by the antibodies in that body. Okay, the vaccine doses are 2. like Covishield and Covax, we have to take 2 doses of this vaccine to get the complete immunity. Okay, so these are the most important details of this Covovax as well as Corbevax and the new antiviral drug Molnupiravir. Okay, so study all these things. That's all. Thank you.